Hello, my name's Sabrina Moreland and I'm one of the librarians here at Walters State, and today I'm going to walk you through using the Literature Resource Center. If you decide to take a humanities approach and write about some sort of poem or play or other form of literature for your English 1020 class. So the first thing you want to do is have some access points picked out, and that's normally in the form of a title, an author or creator, and maybe a literary element such as symbolism, theme, genre, or time period. And so today my example is going to involve Kurt Vonnegut's short story, Harrison Bergeron, and I'm interested in the dystopian elements that he portrays in that story. And so I'm actually going to start with just looking for the title itself. And so a title search is a good place to start. And so when I do that, I type it in that basic search box, and we don't want to click on or use any of the recommendations from the database. So it's better just to use what you've typed in. So get rid of that and hit search. And there are 22 results in the area of literature criticism, and that's really what we want to stick with. The short story itself is our primary source, and so a lot of our secondary sources should come in the form of literary criticism, and if you scroll down towards the bottom, it's even better if we click on critical essay. And so that gives us 13 literary pieces of literary criticism that would be really helpful in examining whatever it is we're looking for in this story. Another approach to take is by starting with the author or creator. And so when I type in Kurt Vonnegut in the search box and hit enter, I get way more information. So because it's such a person is a more broad term than a broader term than a story or a poem or something. And so when I do that, I can again go to the bottom and I can click on critical essay, and that gives me fewer results. I can also search for the story itself within this search within box on the right. And so I'm searching all the stuff about Kurt Vonnegut, and I'm adding the layer of the story that I'm researching. So I can type Harrison Bergeron in and hit enter, and then I get 12 articles that are hopefully relevant to what I'm researching. You also have the option of doing an advanced search. So if you click on the advanced search icon, here, once again, let's start with just the author. And this time I want to use another one of my access points that I've decided on. So I was interested in dystopia, or maybe adding the term future as well, just to see if it would give us some good results. And so you want to make sure that all of your fields on the right are set to keyword. And so I have my author and another access point, and I hit search. And I get 6 results. And just because there's so few, I can see that this second article is really talking about the story I would like to explore. So I'm going to click into the article, and you have the full text, and you have all of these great tools on the right you can use. So there's downloading the article to your device and saving it. You can print it, you can email it to yourself. It's really important to keep up with what you found that you want to use in your paper. And then don't forget about the citation tool. When you click on that, in this database it defaults to MLA 8th edition, which is what you want if you're writing in the humanities. And so you could just copy and paste this into your works cited page, making sure that you do edit and checking for accuracy against some kind of style guide. So I hope that this has been a helpful demonstration of how to use a literary database. Remember to have those access points predetermined and some different synonyms and related terms to go along with your search. Again, please don't forget that I'm here to help with any of your research needs, and so feel free to contact me at the library. You can email me, or you can contact me through eLearn. Thank you for listening.